Hi guys, welcome back to the Prosub channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to create the perfect patterns to those sublimation phone cases. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Sublimation phone cases are very popular for customization. We generally specify them into two different categories. The first one is this 2D cases for the flat pressing machine, and you are going to print your design onto this aluminum sheet. And the other one is this 3D sublimation phone case printed by the vacuum machine. And they come into different sizes and shapes. One thing you should be mindful on is that the cases sometimes the edge will be a little bit curved and comes with some irregularity. So you should be very mindful and attentive when you are doing the pressing and printing job. Let's look at some examples. The first one, bold orange buffalo plate. Instead of using only solid squares, try mixing solid colors with stripped textures. It instantly adds some movement and makes the pattern feel a little bit more dynamic. This classic pattern is so energetic and works great on most of the cases. And the second one is this cute purple polka dot. The polka dot itself is one of the most easier patterns for designer to create, because the secret is not about the dot itself, it's more about the spacing. The even spacing are more conducive for the designer to create an atmosphere and the feelings of the rhythm and the texture itself. And what's more is that the soft colors makes the cases look more clean and modern. These cases is perfect for feminine and youthful look. Going on, look at these artistic and classical phone cases. The oil painting floral. Unlike the flat floral illustration, the oil painting textures add the depth, brush stroke, and the natural traditional imperfection to the cases, which makes the casing more standing out from the crowd and makes it just more premium to look. Finally, we come to the final round of this family bucket. As you can see, they are universally applied with the same colorful patterns because it helps you to create a consistent product series and collection. As you can see, I'm holding this sublimation phone case, and we also cover the series of power bank, AirPod Pro and AirPod Pro Max. The most important is AirPod Max's MacBook cases. So as you can see, it's very diverse and just offering more options for you to choose. Important tips: keep important element away from the very edge, especially on curved prone cases. Put main design in the center or upper part to avoid cutting during pressing. Additionally, avoid using too many colors. 2 or 3 main colors usually create a cleaner and stronger visual impact. Finally, you should always keep your minds and preview your pattern and design onto your real actual devices or product, because sometimes the colors and the tinge will be a little bit different from the actual effect. It would be great on the screen, but it comes to the end and a little bit counterintuitive to the phone case itself. So there is one thing should be you very attentive to it, just to keep your eyes on the design of patterns, and it's really important. These sublimation cases with the pattern on it, just the beginning. We are the professional sublimation business manufacturer with experience over 14 years. We are not just provide the bulk sublimation bank cases for your Hawk production. On the contrary, we also provide the personalized designs for your individual need. So we are also offering the solution of one stop. So with all aggregation of the substantial above, this is the end of this video. If you find out the video very fun and great to watch, don't hesitate to subscribe, give a thumbs up and repost it. I'm Vincent, choose Prosub to witness your dream comes to the fruition. Bye bye, thank you, see you next time.